Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Faizul Anwar bin Rusmal. My matrix number is 1210011. So for today, I'm going to demonstrate an experiment about the gas law. But before we start with our experiment, let's look to the objective and the introduction of gas law. So the objective of this experiment is to understand the relationships among temperature, pressure, volume, and the amount of gas using Boyle's law, Charles' law, and Avogadro's law. Boyle's law states that the volume of gas changes inversely with the pressure at the constant temperature and number of moles of that gas. The volume of gas increases as the pressure of gas decreases at constant temperature and inversely. Charles' law states that the volume of gas changes directly with the temperature at the constant pressure and number of moles of that gas. The volume of gas increases as the temperature of gas increases at constant pressure and inversely. Please remember the unit of temperature is in Kelvin. Avogadro's law. Avogadro's law mentioned that molar volume of a gas is the volume occupied by 1 mole of gas. The table below shows some condition at standard temperature and pressure and room temperature of any gas. For apparatus and material, we need bottle, vinegar, balloons, thumbtack, baking soda, container, thread, and cup. So for part A, we need a balloon, thumbtacks, and a bottle. So first of all, we need to put a hole into our bottle. Then we put the balloon into the bottle and put the balloon into the cap of the bottle. And after that, we need to blow the hole that we put. So for part A, the concept that we use is Boyle's law. As we blow air into the bottle, the pressure inside the bottle will decrease and the volume of air in the bottle will increase. The balloon will become flattened. As we suck out air from the bottle, the pressure inside the bottle will increase and the volume of air will decrease and the balloon will become bigger. So for the next part, for part B, we need tray, 2 container, balloon, cup of cold water, and a cup of hot water. First of all, we need to blow a balloon and measure it with a tube. After that, we take a container and pour 2 cups of cold water into the container. And then, put the balloon into the container. Wait for 30 minutes. For 10 minutes, we blow the second balloon and measure it with our thread. After that, we take a container and pour 2 cups of hot water into the container. Put the balloon into the container. Like the first part, wait for 30 minutes. So for the second experiment, we done it based on the Charles law. As the temperature of that gas increase, so the volume of the gas also increase. So the balloon with hot water in it will expand. Meanwhile, as the temperature of air decrease or in a cold condition, so the volume will decrease. So the balloon that we put in container with cold water will be smaller. So for the last part, or part C, we need vinegar, baking soda, 2 bottles, balloon, and a spoon. First of all, pour the vinegar into the bottle. Pour the same amount of vinegar into the both bottle. After that, pour the baking soda into the balloon. For the first balloon, a tablespoon of baking soda. For the second balloon, 2 tablespoons of baking soda. So finish with that bottle and balloon. After that, you're gonna pour the baking soda into the bottle. For the last part, we applied the Avogadro's law. Based on Avogadro's law, molar volume of gas is determined by the mole of gas. So when we put different amount of baking soda into the both balloon, the amount of gas released is different. The higher amount of baking soda we put, the higher volume of gas that will be released. The gas that will release is carbon dioxide. So for that part, the balloon with 2 spoons of baking soda will be bigger than the balloon with 1 only tablespoon of baking soda.